A very good morning, 7th standard. I hope you all are fine. So, today we are going to check your homework. Means from chapter 1 to 5 that you had studied in this week. So, today we will check. In chapter number 1, 7 amazing word superlatives. I gave you form 5 fill in the blanks. So, everybody please open your GK book and notebook and check that what you make is it correct or not. You can show this work to your elders for knowing is there any mistake or not. And we cannot check or match this one because everybody write the different fill in the blanks, you know. So it is not possible that we can check this. If we are in the school and you already deposit your notebook, that then I can check. So please check by yourself that all spellings are correct and show to your elders that there should be no grammatical mistake. Chapter number 2, I gave you the homework. Make 2 columns A and B. In column A, write name of all the cities, and in column B, write their country's name. So I hope that everybody complete this work. But once again, open your book and notebook and match. Here answers are there. So number 1, you can zoom it for looking clearly in this way. Number 1, Tokyo city, and in which country? Japan. Seoul city name and the country name is South Korea. Shanghai city name and China country name. Then New York City, the largest city in USA. USA means United States of America. Then Mexico City, and Mexico City is the largest city in North America. Then Mumbai, and Mumbai is the largest city of India. London, and where is London? London is a city and it is in United Kingdom, is a country. Then Sydney, the largest city of Australia, and Sydney Opera House is also there in Sydney, and Sydney is the largest city of Australia. Then Auckland, the largest city of New Zealand. The next chapter, chapter number 3, unusual animals, and I gave you draw and color any 2 unusual animals from the following chapter. It means from the chapter 3rd, unusual animals. So you have to draw and color any 2 unusual animals from the following chapter. So I hope that everybody enjoyed this chapter. Make beautiful unusual animals by using beautiful colors and shades, and I will check this work when we will meet in class. So make, draw and color. After that write name also of these unusual animals. Now the next chapter is rarest diseases, and in this chapter you have to make 6 questions from this chapter and also have short clear answer. It means you will write question and also write the answers. Garima, you ask me this question in comment box. Ma'am, will we write answer or not? So you all have to write answers. Okay? And I hope everyone had completed this homework. Also enjoyed with drawing. Chapter number 5. Our Constitution. And your homework was complete fill in the blanks of chapter 5 of our Constitution after reading the preamble of Indian Constitution. So already I told you that this preamble is given in chapter 5 GK book. This is not clear to see. So I hope that everybody used the preamble of Indian Constitution what I show you in the video class, last video class, and you can zoom that, then pause and check your answers and also read the preamble. I will ask all of you in the class when we will meet in school. So in these fill in the blanks of chapter 5, number 1 is sovereign. Number 2 is democratic. Number 3, republic. Number 4, socialist. And number 5, secular. So, yesterday we read this chapter and know some facts about our Indian Constitution, and we also know that this constitution is the longest written constitution of any sovereign country in the world. So guys, this GK week is over, but if you are recalling each chapter a day, you will not forget. I mean, now from Monday it's your computer week, but if you study chapter 1 to 5, one chapter in one day again for this upcoming week, so these topics are set easily in your mind. So thank you, have a nice day. But before leaving the class, your homework is study chapter 6, country, capital and currency. So thank you.